So hello, Teen 6, how are you? I hope you're fine. And this is class number 41. And we are going to learn how to express preferences. Vamos a aprender cómo expresar preferencias. So, warm up. Look at these two pictures for a compare and contrast exercise. Candidate B has to answer the following question in 30 seconds. Acá ustedes no tienen que hacer el compare and contrast. Lo que quiero es que lean la respuesta. Yes, I want you to read candidate B's answer. Yes. And what you're going to do is you're going to spot, identificar the structure, yes, of the three ways of expressing preference. Okay. Candidate B says, well, that's a very difficult question because I like both types of holiday. In general, I prefer getting some fresh air to stay indoors in crowded places when I plan my holidays. Although it's very interesting going somewhere outside of the city, between these two options, I would prefer to go sightseeing around the city rather than go to a natural spot because you may know interesting facts about it. I would rather explore historical places in the city, which I guess you may find many, than travel so far just to see one thing. Ok, esto fue extraído de la respuesta de un candidate B, de First Certificate. Yes. Y la idea es que ustedes van a ver highlighted have three structures of preference. I want you to complete the structures here. For example, prefer is followed by ing, un gerund. Sabemos que el gerund es un sinónimo de noun. Yo puedo decir I prefer pizza. Then you have to para expresar prefiero esto en vez de esto. Y después de ese to, ¿cómo va? Sí, the action. Then look for would prefer. Acá tengo would prefer. ¿Qué va después? ¿Cómo va el verbo? Y para decir en vez de, utilizo rather than. ¿Cómo va ese verbo después? Infinitive, bare, infinitive, infinitive without to. And would rather, ¿sí? ¿Cómo lo formo? ¿Cómo va ese verbo? ¿Cómo digo en vez de? Okay? So, people, pay attention, try to analyze, but don't worry because here in activity number 1, yes, you're going to see all the structures. So, you're going to work on the student's book on page 93, activities 2 and 3, but before, let's look at the theory. Prefer can be used to express a general preference. Okay? Cuando yo digo qué es lo que prefiero en general. Here you have an example. I prefer dogs to cats. Or I prefer playing with dogs to playing with cats. Es decir, después de prefer, I need the verb with ing. In both cases, no digo lo que prefiero en vez de lo que prefiero. ¿Ok? Cuando utilizo ese ing to ing. ¿Sí? Prefiero esto en vez de esto. But in general, estoy hablando en mi vida, my ordinary life. ¿Sí? No en un caso específico. Porque si yo quiero hablar sobre un caso específico, un hoy, esta noche en particular, voy a utilizar would prefer o would rather, estas dos estructuras. La diferencia va a ser cómo sigo el resto. ¿Sí? The translation of would prefer and would rather is preferiría. After would prefer, I need the to infinitive. ¿Sí? Si yo digo que preferiría esto en vez de esto, ese en vez de to va a ser rather than. And then the bare infinitive. For example, I would prefer to go fishing rather than go bird watching. Fíjense que digo acá to go, y acá el rather than lo utilizo seguido de un bare infinitive. Go. ¿Qué significa? Preferiría, specific preference. Would rather. Would rather va a tener tres formas. ¿Sí? Cuando yo estoy hablando de qué es lo que preferiría yo hacer, yo mismo, voy a decir would rather, bare infinitive, than, ¿sí? No voy a decir rather than, porque el rather ya lo utilicé adelante, no lo voy a repetir. And then the bare infinitive, ¿ok? I would rather stay home than go out. Preferiría quedarme en casa en vez de salir. So, I have the preference, yo tengo la preferencia, yo soy la que se quiere quedar en casa. A veces esas preferencias pueden ser sobre otras personas. Yo prefiero que vos hagas algo, ¿ok? Cuando esa preferencia es sobre otra persona, yo la necesito incluir. Entonces, después de would rather, I'm going to include the person. Voy a incluir esa persona. Pero no voy a usar el bare infinitive. Voy a usar el simple past. No porque esté la acción en pasado. Tiene que ver con qué es la estructura cuando yo pongo el sujeto acá. Es una preferencia sobre otra persona. It's a preference when we want somebody or something else to do something. Sorry, my spelling mistake. To do something in the present. I would rather you didn't write such long compositions. No es en pasado. Yo preferiría ahora que vos no escribas, ¿ok? Al ponerle ese you, necesito conjugarlo de esta manera. That's the structure. Ahora, si yo la preferencia sí la hablo sobre una acción pasada, tengo que especificarlo cambiando el tiempo. Voy a decir would rather, y usar el somebody, the person, and then the past perfect. ¿Ok? We wanted something to happen in the past. I would rather you had told me before about the incident. Hubiese preferido que me contara sobre el incidente. Past. Okay? So, you are going to do exercise 2 and 3 on the student's book. Yes, on the page I told you. Let me find it on page 93. Activity 2, you have to complete the second sentence so that it has a similar meaning. So it's a keyword. It's a keyword transformation. Okay. And activity 3, you're going to write your own ideas utilizando la expresión I prefer, o sea, general preference. I prefer this because you have the options on the book. ¿Sí? Tienen las opciones en el libro. For example, which of the following do you prefer doing and why? Playing sport or watching it? I prefer watching it or watching sport, playing it because I'm lazy. Short and sweet. Then, activity B, complete the sentences with the verb in brackets in the correct form. Es decir, si la preferencia es sobre ustedes mismos, van a utilizar el bare infinitive. Si la preferencia es sobre otra persona, que la van a encontrar ahí escrita, van a usar simple past. For example, I'd rather we stayed. Would you rather I told you? Or would you rather not know? ¿Okay? O preferirías no saber. I'd rather you told me. ¿Okay? Cada vez que aparece una persona, simple past. Si no, bare infinitive. Keyword transformation. Acá les hice un resumen que ven la oración, vayan a la estructura. ¿Ok? Check the structure. Don't be lazy. And then, word formation, finally, okay? Between brackets, I wrote the type of word you need to use, and here the link is to check your answers. If you're not sure about the word, if you don't know if the word exists, please check it in the glossary. Look it up in the glossary, in the dictionary, okay? So I put the link there. We're going to work on this topic in our Zoom meeting, so if you have any question, you can ask it there, and you can write through Google Classroom, okay? You can write Miss Lou or me, and we're going to answer to you as soon as possible, okay? So, bye-bye, people. See you.